Castor oil is a natural remedy that has been used by humans since the time of the ancient pharaohs. If you want to learn the benefits of this oil, watch this video from the Daily Eco in which we talk about its 10 most common uses. So, let's get started. Laxative. Castor oil has traditionally been used as a laxative and antiparasitic. However, it is a fairly strong laxative that should only be used occasionally. Anti-acne. Castor oil has many beneficial effects for the face. It is an antioxidant oil due to its content of vitamin E and fatty acids. It is usually used as a facial cleansing product in order to remove traces of dirt and grease, while helping to fight acne thanks to its antibacterial action. Anti-wrinkle. The vitamins and fatty acids in castor oil penetrate deep into the skin and stimulate the natural production of elastin and collagen. These compounds help reduce wrinkles and lead to a smoother and more hydrated skin. Anti-stains. This natural remedy is also a great ally when it comes to removing skin blemishes. It might take longer than other products, but castor oil is completely natural. Anti-stretch marks. Its beneficial properties for the skin extend to the treatment of stretch marks and scars. This oil helps eliminate them if they are mild and recent, or blur them if they have been around for some time. Now, before we continue, let us put you to the test. Castor oil is also known by what other name? Rejuvenating oil, Thickened oil, magical oil. Think about it carefully because at the end of the video you can check if you were right. Burns, dermatitis, and stings. This natural product also helps to soothe the discomfort of insect bites, minor burns, and dermatitis. In addition, it helps the skin to regenerate more easily. Thickened or hardened skin. Calluses and hardened skin can also be less troublesome when treated with gentle massages using this product, as it reduces inflammation and associated pain. Strengthens the hair. Castor oil makes your hair stronger and promotes its growth, making it healthier and shinier. If you want to use it to stimulate hair growth, massage your scalp with your fingers and the warm oil. Also, it is recommended to apply the oil for at least 5 minutes before going to bed and remove it in the morning when showering. To treat split ends or similar, mix a few drops of the oil with your shampoo or apply it directly to the hair. Eyelashes and eyebrows. It is also very common to use castor oil for your eyelashes or eyebrows, as it stimulates their growth and makes them stronger and more attractive. To use it, remove the makeup from your eyelashes and apply the oil in a small amount directly on the eyelashes. Be careful not to overdo it, as the oil is very thick. Then, massage the lashes until they have absorbed the oil. Make sure that it does not get into your eyes. Nail care. This product is a good moisturizer for cuticles. In addition, it also serves to strengthen the nails. Contraindications of castor oil. Due to its laxative properties, this oil is not recommended for people who regularly suffer from colic or similar intestinal problems. It should also not be used by pregnant or lactating women. It should also not be taken or used by people with sensitive skin who experience adverse reactions to any of the components of this plant. And going back to the question we asked you earlier, have you thought it through? The correct answer is B. Castor oil is also known as Thickened oil. Well, that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Let us know in the comments if you have ever used castor oil. And don't forget to like this video or subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. See you next time!